question number second. In this second question, which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? First, I told you what is the meaning of equally likely outcomes. Equally likely means if every event have the same probability. So in this case, what is our first part? A driver attempts to start a car. The car start or does not start. In this case, can we say that this event is equally likely? No. In this case, we know that if we are going to start a car, then car 100% will start. It will not start when there is some fault. So it means there is some reason behind this thing. So in this case, this car in your first part, this event is not equally likely. Equally likely. And what is the reason behind this? Because if we are going to start a car, then car will start. It will not start when there is some fault. So that's why this event is not equally likely event. Okay. Now second part. A player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. In this case, here is a player. If this player is a good player, in that case, he or she can shoot or miss the shot. But if suppose a person is there, he don't know about the rule regulation of basketball, so in that case, these events are not equally likely. In that case, this condition depends on the practice of that player. So it means in this case again this event is not equally likely event, because again there is a condition. If there is some condition, then in that case this event is not equally likely. Now come to the third part. A trial is made to answer a true false question. If suppose we have question answer, and in this case we have some options, but in this case only we have two options. First is true and second is false. If we are going to give the answer of our question, then you will mark false or true. Only we have two choices. If you are going to mark false, in that case what will be the probability? 1/2. And in case if you are going to choose true, again in this case your probability will be equal to 1/2. Why 1/2? Because here only two total cases. First is false and second is true. Total cases 2, and out of 2 we are going to choose one case. So 1/2, and in next case also probability 1/2. And I told you, if every event have equal probability, then these events are equally likely event. So in third case, a trial is made to answer a true false question. These events are equally likely events. Now next part, a baby is born. If a baby is born, then we all know that it will be a baby boy or baby girl. Again we have only two choices. It is a boy or a girl. For both the cases, how many total cases again? Two total cases. And out of 2, if it is a baby boy, then probability is again 1/2. And if it is a baby girl, then probability is 1/2. So in both the cases, probability is same. So that's why these events are again equally likely events. So in this case, third and fourth, these two parts are equally likely, but these two parts are not equally likely events. Now come to the next question, question number 3.